All right. We got a water meter. I think it's from this the neighbor building, but our city connection is right here. It got a Y, which is already PVC. It will connect with the neighbors as well. If we're gonna replace the pipe, it's gonna be from here, which is 2 feet 8. It's going towards the front of the house, then got an A-bend, turn and go straight. This gate, we can open this, we open, it's all good. We're going all the way straight by the AC unit, and this is gonna be our clean out. It's 55 feet.